Hello, I'm Kapil Gunjika. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Kapil Gunjika Life Vlogs. Today is 6th January, my wedding anniversary. I'll be filming part by part. I won't be giving the entire video. Basically, today I'm going to rest. And since my channel's name is Life Vlogs, my life vlogs, what I have to do, what I have not to do, like what I do normally either day, other days or on special occasions. And I'm filming this intro like sitting in this way, basically because this is the east. See, it is the east. The sunlight is coming from here. The sun has risen up. The time is 10:10 in the morning, and I'm filming the intro. Basically, I got up at 6:30 in the morning. I did a shoot. I mean, like I recorded a complete video of 12 minutes, 13 minutes, something odd, but there was no audio recorded. Guys, imagine you go impromptu, and I tried to show how my wife is still asleep in the bed at 8:30 in the morning, and I was pretty trying to clean myself up, take a clean shave today, and do other stuff, household stuff. So I was like, okay, I'll make her. I like, okay, this is the one of the wedding anniversary gifts. At least on wedding anniversary, you should get up early, or even other days you should get up early. Saying so, I don't get up early. I get up at 9:30, 10. I don't get up before 9:30, 10. It's like at 9:30, 10, I'm like, oh my god, I think I should get up. That is the situation or the condition. Uh, we are not yet fixed. We are not yet decided with the breakfast. Let's hope. Yeah, cake is ordered, guys. Cake is ordered. Expected by 6:30, 7 o'clock in the evening. Mm, basically, we are just going to take rest, not focused on any of the works. Yeah, but I have to work out. I have to plan. I have to maybe edit a video, one or two videos. I have to plan out. I may not record today, other than what how we are going to celebrate by ordering food or making food at home. We may or may not. We are still on discussion. The discussion is on. And you can see over here, my father is reading newspaper. I don't know. Now I'm behind. Let me come in front of the camera. Yeah, I can see. He is lying down and is reading paper. And over there is the kitchen door. My wife may walk through. No, she's not. She's not walking through. And just pan over here. On this cot, my mom is sitting. I don't know if she's getting recorded or not. I am behind the camera, so I can't see. See, now my wife comes over right up there, over there. Like she's waving from hand. Oh my God! Can you even imagine? She's asking for half kg of tea. Now I don't know. It is either to spill the tea or to drink the tea, or is she going to go for a resale of half a kg of tea? Guys, that's an interesting one. Didn't expect these things from my mother, but can't help it. See, guys, so basically, here is the television. That's the AC. That's the headphone, which is not proper, but it's like a little worn off.
Ours is a regular messy home.
Yeah, a regular messy home, guys. Regular messy Indian home. See, you can see the Arabian Sea over there. I mean, like, not the actual Arabian Sea, I would say. The in Kannada we say Arabi Samudra. That means a sea of clothes. So I was saying Arabian Sea, not actual Arabian Sea, but like sea of clothes. All washed clothes over there. They go right behind there, somewhere close there. The newspaper, pile of newspapers there, which we once a week or twice a week we give it to the
Once
and
a month.
once a month. Okay, once a month. Guys, I don't do these chores. Honestly, I don't do these chores. I should. I'll start doing. So already 6 minutes video. I don't know what I'm going to keep and how much I'm going to keep. Am I going to keep? But this is a good video. This is a backup video. I might upload it in first week of Feb maybe. Yeah. First week of Feb. And guys, the sweet is jalebi. And the other sweet is this is cham cham,
Bengali mithai.
Bengali mithai. I don't know if the camera is recording it. I don't know the angle. Yeah, Bengali mithai. I don't eat this Bengali mithai, but my wife likes it.
My girlfriend was Bengali.
Yeah, my girlfriend. I can't call her girlfriend. She was female. I did try to propose her, but she rejected. Basically, she is Bengali. That's it. This much is enough because she's still in connection with me on Instagram and Facebook. So this much is enough. No revealing of names. I'll keep you posted. What else we are. By the way, this is not made at home. This has been like ordered from Swiggy, Zomato. Which one? Zomato. This one is ordered from Zomato. My younger brother ordered it.
क्या ये मलाई सैंडविच? नहीं.
Correct one. Hello guys, welcome back. And yes, as I said earlier, we would be ordering the food from outside. And
We went outside, we ordered the food.
we ordered it. I think from Zomato or Swiggy, right? I think we ordered it from Zomato or Swiggy. He ordered it. This fellow, Puneet Gunjikar.
Yes, I am the idiot.
The thing is, main thing is like guys, this.
बघा तुम्ही.
बघा वाट बघा तुम्ही आता.
एक दुसरी बघा. बघा बघा.
I don't know if I'm able to capture the screen. If you're able to see. He wants to showcase his fingers.
I don't want the screen time.
So I don't know. I'm able to at least. If we are winning the Clan War League Battle Day 4, as of now it is like 8 minutes remaining and they have only 2 attacks left. Saying so, let me get to
Let me quickly get to the
food.
which has been my quickly is my quickly. I can't believe it.
Arda.
बरोबर कर.
In the morning there was jalebi and cham cham. Jalebi I think, cham cham I think has been finished.
It is in the fridge.
Oh, it is in the
One
fridge.
is-
Sorry, one is remaining, and this is the case of jalebi.
This is not casing of jalebi.
This is not the
actual
casing of jalebi, guys, but this is like
Actual
it was
jalebi.
half a kg jalebi filled. This complete vessel filled with jalebis, eaten by all of us.
Now the anchor has been dropped, so the vessel stays over there.
Anchor has been dropped. The vessel stays over there. Good commentary.
This is INS.
Fantastic.
This is
INS Jalebi.
ING Jalebi. I do not want to bring down the Indian Naval Force, so I will rename it as ING Jalebi.
Yeah, this is ING jalebi. Guys, we have ordered basically Nendu vada and
Paska vada.
Patka vada.
We are not degrading INS at all. We are in fact saying crisp and sweet.
INS.
basically we have medu vada and idli.
All the medu vada have been given as parcels. Idli also in parcels. Wrapped in aluminum. Self-eatable part like individual parcels. Single or plate. Plate is in front of you.
Non-edible.
Plate
No,
is
we
in
don't
front of
we
you.
don't we don't know what is the this thing. Guys, I am in the kitchen right now. I came to kitchen.
You have to bring it closer to the
I came into the kitchen just to show you guys. I don't know, just to show you guys. This is what I was saying in the morning. Lassi. It's in completely wrapped from plastic outside in plastic container. There's still cham cham over here and so many other stuff, food stuff.
Nandu, actually idli more hai.
Mom is saying like in Hindi, don't show any other stuff from the kitchen or from the fridge. This is the.
Our idli ತಂದೆ.
I wanted to show.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೂರನೇ ದಿನದ ಅದು ನನ್ನ ಕೊಡು.
This is like colloquial language, Kannada, our mother tongue.
One of our national languages.
Okay, one of our. I didn't knew that. Sorry, guys. Like sorry is like for I didn't knew that, but I know that it's my mother tongue. We can talk in Kannada. I understand spoken Kannada. I can speak in Kannada.
ಒಂದೇ ನನ್ನ ಮೆದುವಡ ಎರಡು ಒಂದು ಮೈಸೂರು ಮಸಾಲೆ ದೋಸೆ ಅದು.
So we are still trying to find it out and fight it out. What has been ordered and for whom has been ordered, as we wait for my wife to arrive.